Let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at $105,000, 145. And the overall situation of Bitcoin has not changed at all. This is pretty much where it was yesterday when we were looking at Bitcoin. This is your yesterday's candle. I'll actually zoom it in for you so you could see better. This is your yesterday's candle. This is today's candle. There are like 20 hours left for it to close. This is day before yesterday. So the overall situation hasn't changed since yesterday. This is where we were covering it. Today it went down and it is back up. Things are pretty much same old, same old, same old. They are not getting any different. Now, last time when Bitcoin had a experience like this, arguably in this region, when it stayed flat like this by going up and down, up and down, up and down for almost 2 weeks, each candle is 1 day, then it started flying. Over here, it's pretty much up and down, up and down, up and down, and then it started flying, but this flying is not that crazy. Over here, the flight was rather crazy, but this flight that you're experiencing is not as crazy as it was here. So if this is the maximum deliverance that Bitcoin is giving us, then I think that soon we will see a break of the support area of 102,500. Now 102,500 is the most crucial support area. We haven't lost this for how many days? 3, 6, 9, 12, almost 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks we have not lost this area. But if we lose it for the first time, again, Bitcoin will drop towards 97,300, which will be this area. And it is going to be a crucial support area. Losing this would indicate that this support area will not hold. Then Bitcoin will slowly start the downward journey towards $70,000. Of course, there will be a lot of drama in a sense that it will not just straightforward drop towards 70. There would be reactions at all different levels, but losing 97,300 would pretty much indicate that, okay, Bitcoin has failed, or Bitcoin is done with its upward movement and now Bitcoin wants to retrace. Right now in the market, if you look at it, if we don't talk about all coins, there would be coins that would be outperforming Bitcoin. But generally speaking, Bitcoin is right now outperforming majority of the altcoins. Bitcoin is not bleeding that much, but when we talk about other altcoins, they are shitting themselves, and that makes things difficult. So if Bitcoin starts dropping, it will be a shit show for the rest of the market, obviously, because there's a psychological phenomena attached to it. But anyway, Bitcoin is at a decision-making point, according to me, $105,000, even though it's not a support or resistance. But I think this is your make and break place. Bitcoin, if it wants to go and create the new all-time high at 110 and then start the journey towards 120, this is the place. If it's not, I think this time if it drops, if it goes below 102,500, I think it will stay below it for 2 days and finally it will start the downward journey. We have stayed too long in this region. It's now time to make a decision. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.